这个小宝宝太可爱了，是吧？就是他一上车就来看我。
Anniversary.
4 years. The taste of Chengdu.
Are you excited for Chengdu?
Super excited. I've been looking forward to Chengdu for months now.
Wow. I think the reason that you're most excited is to see your friend, right?
Yeah. I mean, I already miss seeing my friends here. Someone familiar, someone you already care about.
最近Ari一直在说中文，除了和我说英文之外的话，就基本上用不到。然后这次呢，可以去见我们的朋友，也很开心。这几天我们都生病了，大家可能也能听得出来。小豆腐是4、5天前他发了一次烧，不过现在他已经彻底的好了。Ari 他现在是属于这个食物不太适应的这个阶段了，刚来的时候还挺兴奋的，现在有点水土不服了。我是有点感冒，就是有点咳嗽，还有鼻塞，不过问题不大。
Alright, we're heading to the airport. My first Chinese domestic flight. When was the last time you were on an airplane in China, Jay? You need to go to Hainan?
Yes.
Oh.
With my mom and my dad.
Oh, fun.
哇，现在我们在这个钱塘江大桥。
Sincerely, I was not expecting the coffee to be this fantastic in China. I'm really a coffee snob back in America. But this Luckin coffee is so good. This coconut one. I don't know what they do. It's really good. Hey, we're here. There's a ton of people here. I feel like this is an American airport.
This is also my first time depart from Hangzhou Airport.
All right.
Interesting.
First time for both of us then.
Let's go.
小宝贝. All right, we're inside. I felt like the service was very fast actually.
Yep.
They checked our stroller for us, which was something I didn't know if they would do.
Also the car seat.
Right. So we were able to do 1 suitcase, 1 car seat, and the stroller. So
That's very nice. 然后现在我们已经在这个航站楼里面了。
Okay, so I just tried using the bathroom, but there was only 1 toilet with the actual seat there. The other ones were squatty potties. Still not good at the squatty potties yet. So I'm just gonna try to find another bathroom because for me it's worth finding an actual seat. We're heading to a little VIP lounge and I'm hoping they have more toilet seats available.
They will.
It's really so bright and fresh in here. I really like this airport.
碰到一个粉丝。对，激动了。哎，哦耶
Okay, nice to meet you. 谢谢，谢谢，再见，再见。
我一直关注你们。
谢谢。
Seems like everywhere we go to an airport, we'll meet someone who watches our videos there, which is fun.
Oh, they also have food already.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
You take off your clothes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, now we're in a little lounge area. Okay, we're taking a little bus over the gate, I guess. What do you think of the Hangzhou airport?
For some reasons, I always thought it's small.
Oh, really? It's actually pretty big.
It's actually pretty big.
Okay, next stop, Chengdu.
Fly.
Are you excited? I'm pretty sure there's a celebrity up there. The way he's dressed and how he's acting, but I feel too shy to ask.
那就革新了一个规则，好写乱七八糟，因为英文直译的嘛，你大家都是这样。
Yeah.
这个小宝宝太可爱了，是吧？就是他一上车就来看我，
对
我在看他。
对，他也很喜欢对别人笑。
这么多粉丝，
算不上网红。
这还不算网红，这是百万网红。这个我也合张影。
可以啊，可以啊。
为什么你去Chengdu?
Play with friends.
Oh, just for fun.
Yeah.
Getting on the flight.
现在我们上飞机啦！啊！刚才碰到一个帅哥，他也是一个博主，然后他关注我们，他说我们有好多粉丝，还要跟我们合照。
This is the guy I'm pretty sure is a celebrity. So what kind of red book do you do?
For makeup, for clothes,
Wow.
produce my life to others.
Oh, very
so
cool,
cool.
very cool.
Wow.
I'm so glad to meet your family. And the little cute son. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We have eye contact.
That's right,
wow.
right. That's so sweet. Well, glad to have met you as well. I want to see your red book.
Of course.
Study UK UAL.
Oh, okay.
Of the Arts.
That's why your English is so good.
That's
okay.
why. Our first flight.
Such a nice flying experience.
That's right.
So Jay did want to treat me to business class for my first time, and it was so sweet of him.
It's also our 4 years anniversary. So.
Yeah, thank you, Jay. It's been really nice.
Yeah, yeah, oh. Yeah, yeah, oh. 小豆腐睡着了，睡得好香呀！第一次坐商务舱，商务舱的这个吃的东西，水果、蛋糕，就是一点点的这个培根、牛肋骨，这个是蒜苔肠片，有一点点汤，看上去还不错哎。Do you like the food? 二位特别喜欢今天这一顿饭。
This is good.
这是狮子头。
Thank you so much. Happy anniversary.
Anniversary.
4 years.
所以，飞机上最不想发生的事情发生了，
Right during a nice dinner.
小豆又拉在山上了。
Babies always know when you're trying to relax and have a nice meal. We successfully got a clean baby again. Yeah. It's not easy in the airplanes. The area you have to change them is so tiny. So you're all clean now, huh? You're all clean. Hey, we're almost to Chengdu. How much longer?
30 minutes.
About 30 minutes to Chengdu. We made
我们
it!
终于到啦！
We're in Chengdu!
哇，第一次成都，
So excited. I'm honestly mostly excited to get to see one of our best friends, though.
Yes.
So nice to know someone here.
第一感觉成都还是比较热的，对不对？
It is definitely warmer. We went south, right?
Oh, do you smell it?
I smell Chengdu already.
Yes.
Yeah, more spicy.
我们到了，是不是？
You gotta find creative ways to carry your baby
小豆
all
腐
day.
喜欢吗？小豆腐，在哪里呢？今天抱了一天了。哇，成都的这个机场还是挺帅的。
The taste of Chengdu.
我们这里发现了一款茶叶，绿茶。
It's a fancy stick of butter.
阿伟说它像黄油。
Butter looks good. We see our good friend Ross. Yeah. 华侨王. Hey.
Oh.
We're actually here. Wow. We're here in Chengdu.
小豆腐，小叔叔。
I can't believe this is real.
How was your flight?
It was really nice. They treated us to business class, so it was really nice. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Not too much difference actually.
Especially on like shorter flights.
Yeah, yeah. But it was really nice with him to have like the leg room and stuff. All right, so we're here in Chengdu. Stay tuned for more. 再见.
Bye bye.
Bye.